just let the sauce simmer for a little bit. This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today I have a terrific recipe, a simple recipe. Your family and friends will love this Chinese curry recipe. Today we're making a Chinese style curry chicken with coconut milk. So these are the ingredients that you will need. So this is a leek. To me it's a giant green onion, but adds subtle flavor to whatever you're cooking. I preheat my wok at medium heat. Now I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm going to add some onions and the sliced ginger. We'll give that a quick sear. So celery is also an aromatic, so that'll bring out a lot of flavor when you sear it. So I got about a cup of celery in there. So just give the onion, ginger, and celery a quick sear. Now I'm going to put the chicken in. I'm going to bring the heat up to high right now. At this point I'm going to put about a teaspoon of sesame oil. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of Mediterranean sea salt. You can use any kind of salt you like. But Mediterranean sea salt is a natural salt, brings out a lot of flavor in your cooking. So the chicken is cooked about halfway through. So I'm just going to take off the chicken right now. So now I'm going to throw in the red pepper and the leeks. We got about a cup of red pepper, a cup of leeks. I'm going to throw in about a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Now I'm going to put in the coconut milk. So this is a fairly good brand here, Rooster brand. So I have about a cup of coconut milk. Now I'm going to put the bay leaf in there. So turmeric is basically ground ginger. So I'm going to put some turmeric in there. Throw some curry powder in there. Add more curry powder later if I want it stronger. So I don't put the whole curry powder in right now because some people like their curry stronger, other people don't. So this bay leaf will draw some subtle flavor in as well. So you can also add some five spice. So just add a dash of five spice in there. If you don't mind having lots of sauce, put the whole can of coconut milk in there. But if you want just enough to coat the chicken, you can go with half a can of coconut milk. So what I do now is add back the chicken with the celery and the ginger and the onions. So if you want to darken the sauce just a little bit, just put some dark soy sauce in there. So I'm just going to put in a small amount, just say maybe a half a teaspoon or so. Or you can add more if you want a darker sauce. So this darkens the sauce a slight amount. So I've got a tablespoon of cornstarch with a third of a cup of water. I'm just going to mix that in to thicken the sauce. So just let the sauce simmer for a little bit. So just before serving, add the chopped green onions, just for a little more color. So give that a final stir. So I'm going to put the curry on a nice plate here. So you got lots of sauce here. There you have it. Chinese style curry chicken with coconut milk. Enjoy. This curry dish is great on hot steamed rice.